गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। आई एम मीचू और आज का वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ेदार होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू डू ए फुल ग्लैम लुक यूजिंग ऑल माई फेवरेट ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट्स। और सबसे अच्छी बात ये है कि ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स अंडर 1000 रुपीज़ है। So the products that I'm going to mention in this video are the products जो मैं असली में recommend करूँगी to beginners और to someone जिसको budget shopping करनी है। So ये products वो है जो मैं definitely recommend करूँगी because seriously I believe in quality। ये सब जो products है ज़्यादा cheap नहीं है, they are really reasonable, बहुत affordable है और quality wise भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। So ऐसा समझ लो कि आपने मुझे DM किया है कि मीचू please suggest me some good products, I'm a beginner or I want to go for some nice affordable products। So this video is a reply to that mail or DM. Okay, so let's start the video. So first I'm going to prep my skin and for that I'm going to use the Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist, and I recently got my hands on this one and I'm totally obsessed with this one because number one, it refreshes your skin and it hydrates your skin, and I totally enjoy using face mist or any kind of spray. I just like to go dish to dish and ta-da! I am tarotaza. So I basically enjoy using face mist, rose water, any kind of sprays. And this one has green tea, so I am totally attracted to this one. And this one is good for combination skin, oily skin और skin hydrate करता है तो dry skin के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है। So I'm going to use this. And also I got this one from Plum's website 2 weeks back और बहुत अच्छा ऑफ़र मिला था तो मैंने फटाफट ले लिया। और ये बात मैं इसके लिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं शायद हमेशा नायका से लेती हूँ, मतलब रिसेंटली मैंने थोड़ा कम किया नायका से और वेबसाइट से लेना ज़्यादा प्रेफर कर रही हूँ जो भी ब्रांड का है। तो बहुत अच्छे डील्स भी मिल जाते हैं, ऑफर से मिल जाता है और डिलीवरी भी बहुत अच्छी है इनकी। सो जस्ट ए शॉपिंग हैक। Also this has some amount of fragrance in it, so if you're someone जिसकी skin sensitive है या fragrance prefer नहीं करते हो तो you can pass on this one, but मुझे personally कुछ problem नहीं है, मेरी skin को कोई problem नहीं है, so I really enjoy using this. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Pond's Light Moisturizer Vitamin E plus Glycerin. I am totally obsessed with this one. It gives you nice hydration and instant glow, so I'm totally in love with this one and I will highly recommend to all skin types. But if you have extra oily skin, you can pass on this one. You can instead go for this one. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel, Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E. You can go for this one, but your girl likes to use this one because it gives you extra glow, so I totally enjoy using this. It's like a really good hydrating moisturizer on a budget, so this one is my current favorite moisturizer. For my primer, I'm going to use this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. And I'm just going to take a very little bit of it. It's in the form of transparent gel, so it gets absorbed really easily and smoothly. Now I'm just going to apply it on the areas where I have pores. Next, for my foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Foundation Stick. Now I feel this product is little underrated because this foundation is such a beautiful product because it gives you full coverage and it gives you nice glow, plus it's lightweighted and doesn't crease, so you can use this on daily basis and definitely you can build this up if you want to go for full coverage or full glam look. You can definitely build this up. So this one is really good, and since this is cream based foundation, this one is really good for dry skin, but oily skin, stay away from this one. This is cream based, so don't go for this one. And if you have oily skin, I will recommend either Maybelline Fit Me Foundation or L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This one is really good for dry skin. And I have normal skin and I'm a sucker of glowy dewy looks, so I really enjoy using this one. Also, I'm in the shade F8. Now this one is really easy to apply. Now whenever I apply foundation stick, I always go for foundation brush to blend my foundation because beauty blender से थोड़ा problem होता है and foundation brush से बहुत easily blend हो जाता है. So I'm going to use this one, and this one is from Pack. There is no name written over this one because ये मैंने set लिया था पूरा Pack का face brush set, तो ये उसका है. So there is no name written on this one. Now next I'm just going to use a beauty blender and just even everything out. For my concealer, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now, I don't think that this product needs any kind of introduction. ये सबका favorite है और होना भी चाहिए. The product is so good. The consistency is really good and it gives you full coverage. It's a really good product. Now to blend my concealer, I'm going to use the Pack 215 brush. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I recently got my hands on this one. मुझे बहुत टाइम से न्यू लूज़ पाउडर लेना था. मैं K Beauty यूज़ कर रही थी, MAC यूज़ कर रही थी, My Glam यूज़ कर रही थी, बट मुझे कुछ न्यू ट्राई करना था और इसके रिव्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे मैंने YouTube पे देखे, नायका पे देखे. So I got my hands on this one and it's totally worth it. The particles are really fine and the coverage is really good. So this one is really good. Also, this is in the shade 15 Light. I'm going to use Pack 245 brush. Now I'm just going to brush my eyebrows before doing my eye makeup. For my eyes, I'm going to use this palette. This is a beautiful palette from Nykaa, Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette, and this is Smoky at 8. This is such a beautiful palette. I love all the colors in this palette. It's super pigmented and I think this palette is really good for beginners and for someone who wants to go for something affordable. So this palette is really good, and also they have many more options in this range. They have pink, they have warm tones, they have so many options. This one is Smoky at 8, so I'm going to use this one. Also, the look that I'm going to create is super easy. You guys are going to love it. So for that, I'm going to use this color. And then I'm going to use this brush from Pack. This is Pack 384. I'm just going to spray a bit on my brush to get nice pigmentation and then just take it. So this is how it looks. I am totally loving the pigmentation and the color. Now to add a pop of color, I'm going to use the Sugar eyeshadow stick in the shade Blue, and this is a gorgeous color. This is my absolute favorite. Look at this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes. This product is just wow. This is in just one stroke. It's so beautiful. Now I'm just going to take this brown color and I'm just going to take a really little bit of it. Adding a little black or brown eyeshadow color to your outer lashes makes your lashes look really voluminous. Look at this one and look at this one. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and this eyelash color is from Maybelline. For my mascara, I'm going to use the K-Beauty mascara. Next, to add some color and to contour my face, I'm going to use a Nykaa foundation stick, and this is in the shade 07, and it looks like this. It's a nice brown color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same brush which I used to set my concealer, the PAC 245 brush, and I'm just going to take some product like this and just blend it out. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is in the shade Rose. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Gold. I'm using my concealer brush to apply this. For my lips, first I'm going to use the Sugar Lip Liner, and this is in the shade 01 Taffeta Terracotta. बड़ा ही कठिन नाम है. Now next I'm going to use my Glam lip crayon. So this is the final look. I love how it turned out, and it's super easy to achieve. So let me know your thoughts and rate this look out of 10 in the comment section down below, and all the details are mentioned in the comment section down below. So do check it out, and I will see you next Friday. Bye! Face mist or any kind of spray, I just like to go dish, and yeah.